Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now I start checking from this truck first. The first one is a super motorbike, yellow color. This one is also a racing super motorbike. Mini excavator, forklift, mini airplane, garbage truck. This one is a broken excavator. You can see 3 wheels only. Cute super motorbike. This one is also a racing super motorbike, pink color. How about this one? A truck, mini truck. A cute truck. Mini monster truck. A nice monster truck. How about this one? Everybody, mini helicopter, a nice helicopter. This one is my favorite helicopter. Racing car number 9. Bulldozer, mini bulldozer. Police super motorbike. How about this hero Spider-Man? You can see a sign of spider on his chest. You can see here. Last one, everybody, Hero Iron Man, red color. Everyone, so now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, everybody. Thank you. See you next time.